This video is super actionable. The prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that's active during attentive and focused work that makes you productive, can be stimulated and improved using journaling. So every single time you journal, you're activating the prefrontal cortex, which releases serotonin, which then strengthens the prefrontal cortex. So you have a beautiful positive reinforcement loop, allowing you to become more productive and improve your focus statistically and scientifically. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18 and I coach lazy people to turn productive. I went on a journey of productivity myself, from 5,000 hours or 210 days straight addicted to video games to someone who effortlessly and easily breezes through large banks of his work for my business, education and personal development goals. And this video will help you. It'll be 15 journaling prompts to finally turn productive. And if you're interested in getting my personal gratitude journal, which has day planning, habit tracking, note taking and journaling pages, then the link is in the description. But let's get into it.
Number 1. What are my top 3 priorities for today and why? Number 2. What's one small habit I can improve to become productive? Number 3. What distractions slowed me down yesterday and how can I minimize them today? Number 4. What's my biggest goal right now? And what's one action I can take today to get closer to it? Number 5. What's my ideal daily routine for maximum productivity? Number 6. What tasks am I procrastinating on and why? Number 7. What are my biggest time wasters and how can I reduce them? Number 8. What's one thing I can automate, delegate, or eliminate to free up time? Number 9. How can I optimize my workspace to improve focus and efficiency? Number 10. What are my energy levels throughout the day and how can I adjust my schedule to match them? Number 11. What's the most important lesson I learned from today's work? Number 12. How can I improve my morning routine to start the day more effectively? Number 13. What's one productivity technique I want to try this week? Number 14. How do I feel about my progress this week, and what adjustments should I make going forward? Number 15. If I had only 4 hours of work today, what tasks would I prioritize?